Bet you can't kiss your elbow.
I can't.
Do it.
Ow.
Let me see.
That's not your elbow, that's your arm.
That's your arm. That's not your elbow.
That hurts. I can't do it.
Lick your elbow. I want to see your tongue touch your elbow.
No.
Why not?
Well, maybe your coat's too thick. Take your jacket off.
Can you touch your tongue to your ear? Put your tongue on your ear.
I can't.
Why not?
Still on your elbow.
Can you stick out your tongue and touch your nose? Try it. Your nose is closer. Yes, it is. Stick out your tongue and touch your nose.
I already showed him. You bumped your head on my table, huh?
It hurt? No, cheater.
Oh, man, I'm on the 4th level. I can't.
Stick out your tongue and touch your nose.
Better than that. Okay. Oh, no. This is going to be hard.
Brandon, kiss your elbow.
No. Can't do it.
That's, aha, you cannot do it, see?
Look. Oh, my
You can't reach?
No. I can't.
Stick out your tongue and touch your nose. Cheater. Good job, Grandma Kimmy.
What? Mommy's cheating.
Mommy's